Yo, Sakafet, we are in December, the last month of the year, and all I wanna spread out there is love. Let's start today by creating a smooth Afro R&B vibe. So let's have some fun. I must set my tempo at maybe 90, something slow, very slow. And first plugin is gonna be additive key, and preset is the Mark 1, and let's use the real stereo preset. Now we are going to try to create a nice chord progression. Okay, let me write the code so you can follow along with me. Okay, we go with C sharp. Yeah. And then we add the low note. And we press Alt or so we quantize the velocity, not quantize. So we play with the velocity, we make sure it sounds nicer, and then Alt X, so we lower it again a little bit, the velocity. Boom. I think we play the next note was and let's do G sharp maybe, yeah. Don. Okay, we do a G, no, a F, maybe F minor, not F major. Okay, it's gonna be F major. Or minor. I need F, not F sharp. I need F. Nice. And let's play with the velocity again so we have something different. And then let's take this one right there, and we are gonna go to, okay, that is gonna be D sharp. Okay, nice. And those want to be a little bit louder. Okay, Alt X. When you're creating those type of beat, you really want a composition that sounds good by itself. I'm going to transpose those two notes right there, because when a real pianist is playing, he tries to play note that is as close as possible. The thing is, it's the same chord progression, but you just transpose those two notes. Nice. The next plugin now is gonna be maybe Contact. We are gonna try to find a pad that brings soul to the instrumental. We can do that with Contact or with the library in Contact, or you can try to find any other instrument that has smooth pad. So I have a preset in mind, which is the not duet. I think I'm gonna go with the which one again? The very own key, and I'm going to use the default preset because it sounds good. And let's comment C, comment C, sorry, comment C, comment V, and by itself. Nice. And now VCF. They use it a lot in my piano, but I think it sounds so good and I want to use it in this one. That's the sound. I want it that there. And now nice. I love what I heard so far, and now we can add another contact library so we can play some violin that's really take you to, I don't know where, man. You know, we talk about love, man. When you hear some violin and some love music, you know it's going to sound good. So I think I'm gonna go to use maybe the Chris Hand violin. This one sounds good. You can use other violin, but this one I think is gonna sound good for the kind of instrument I want. Nice. Now I want to add a sub, but I'm not gonna use the sub that I usually use in Omnisphere. We'll go with Nexus this time, and we are going to try to find a nice sub. We just type sub, and then boom, we have a nice. Let's see, let's go with the analog one. We just copy the low note, Command C, and then we go to our Nexus. We pass it here. That's not bad for now. Maybe we are going to switch it later. Now I want to add some vocal chop. I'm gonna use Splash, and one thing I did with Splash, I see that I have a lot of credit, and then you can put your subscription on pause. I put it on pause and download a bunch of samples. So I'm going to try to find a vocal chop in one of the samples that I downloaded, and then hopefully it sound good. So I'm gonna go that off camera and then get back to y'all. Guys, those are the vocal chop that I found. Let's go with the first one. Let's make sure we put it on time, 4 bars, and then it's gonna be -600 because we are on F minor. Nice. And then let's see this one, what we can do with it. Okay, maybe we do the same thing. Stretch, and then we put it on 4 bars, and it's the same key. We go -600 again. That's sort of okay. That's nice. Okay, let's go with this part right there. That's good. That's nice. That's all I want. Now we can add this to a mixer track, and then we'll add some reverb. Nice. And the next thing is going to automate the panning. So go right here and then just right there. Now I want it to start to the left and then go to the right. I don't want it to start to the right and then go to the left. And the next thing is going to use a little delay. Let's add this right there. Now I love when it starts to the left. It sounds more natural like this. That's crazy nice. Guys, I don't know what's happened to me. I don't feel good suddenly. Damn. Let's go with some chill drums. Let's see if we can find. Okay, let's go with this one, with this perk right there. Okay, we'll go with a simple perk, just like that. Yeah, guys, you should take some pause at some point. When you work and you feel that you work too much, you have to take some pause. Don't do like me. Okay, now a kick. Let's see. I'm gonna go with a kick that hit really hard. Afrobeat, and then we use. I use this one. Okay, now we want something that's gonna be here, and we can add some hi-hat. Let's see this one to see. and we can start to try to find another percussion just to combine with this. Let's go to Afrobeat. Okay, I'm gonna go with this. Okay, and we do the same thing with this right there. We need another hi-hat that sound very much alike. Okay, let's go with this one. And then we do the same thing right there. Nice. And then now we can use an open art. Normally when you add open art, it creates more ambient. It's not more, it creates a live feel to it that makes it sound much more interesting. You see? That sounds way better. And let's see that we add some conga now. Let's go here. I think I might use this. Not this one. Let's go to fire. To see, okay, Afrobeat. Nah, I'm gonna go to fire. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this too. Like, and we create a conga that's gonna close the pattern. Okay, with this one we have to make it start right. Yeah, we have a crazy instrumental. Guys, I don't know. I cannot do crazy movement right now because I still feel this sweet feeling in my neck. So nice. This should be lower. Like, okay, I think now I wanna add some maybe some reverse. Let's go to Afrobeat volume 1, and then we use a crash reverse. I'll go with this one. We'll put it in there. And I have an idea, maybe add some wind effect, maybe some thunder effect. That's gonna make it even sound even more sad, I think. This can be a breakup song. Yeah, alright guys, I'm not gonna spend more time on this bit. You see, it's simple and sound good already. So I'm just gonna go off camera, make a little arrangement, and then play the final vibe for you. Hopefully you guys love it. And yeah, I think I'm gonna edit this one tomorrow. I'm not gonna be able to drop it tomorrow. I'm gonna edit it tomorrow and then drop it the next day, which is gonna be Friday, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so yes, let me just go off camera and then create the arrangement and play the final vibe for y'all. Enjoy. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Also follow me on Instagram at Samy Beatz. See you in the next one.